Today we're gonna do a project. It involves this trencher. We rented it yesterday from Home Depot. It's the biggest they have, 36 inches. It looks like this. It comes with a trailer, and we will need to dig a trench for our electrical wire, and it needs to be 2.5 feet deep. So this 36 inch supposed to cut 3 feet hole, but we'll see how it goes. The problem with our project is it's on the hill. We're gonna have to cut it on the hill. We don't know how the machine will behave on the hill, but that's what we're gonna find out. So operating seems to be quite straightforward. So this is the gas tank. It's full, so at the end we'll have to fill it to return. This one is the engine speed, faster, lower. This one is for turning, like right and left.
And this
what
is
else?
For
this is
reverse. If you need to reverse.
Oh, this one is reverse.
Yeah.
And this is the blade.
Yeah, this is
operating. So when we cut the trench, it has to go backwards. So that you always cut and go back, so that the cuttings will not be in the way. Okay, we're in the place, and this is the hill. Let's start from the top, where it's not that steep. Because we have to go backwards with the machine. It's heavy, so we have to start from the top, so it goes down easier with the gravity. Making a little curve. You can't make sharp turns, but you can do like little curves with this machine, and it's still making it difficult for it to cut and turn. There's a little bit of a flat pad space where the machine is at right now, and then the steeper hill starts after. So it's kind of making a mess. So you can see the trench itself is quite narrow. Maybe it's less than a feet, but you need at least 5 feet clearance in the width, because the machine, when it goes, it's making that mess and the cuttings go on the side. So if you have a narrow space to go through, you need at least 5 feet. Okay, we're doing this ties to hold the machine because we're going into a steeper portion of the hill. We're tying the machine to the nearest trees, just in case it goes down quickly, then there's something to hold it from falling off the hill all the way.
Swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, and holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing. If you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time.
Okay, we're done with the trench. You see, it turned out pretty curvy. We had to go around major, trees, and we also have a solar line somewhere in the same place. Last time we tried marking it with the paint spray, but it's worn out. We know it's somewhere close, so we try to stay as much to the left side as possible from here. So that's why it turned out very curvy. We need to have a lot of connectors for the conduit when we put the wire in, but that's okay, it's doable. The length, the depth in some places are as deep as 5 feet. We had to do it because it's on a hill. The trencher wanted to go down by itself, so to hold it up we had to go deeper with the blade so it holds it in place. And so in some places it's very deep, but in general 2 feet at least or deeper, which is pretty good. So now we just need to clean it. There's one place where it's not 2 feet. We need to go with the shovel. But so now we have the conduits. We'll put it in. We'll see if we have enough, and then get the connectors. Any final words? Was it hard?
No hard. Just first time this trencher. A little bit scary first couple minutes, but after that it's going real smooth. So yeah, we have kind of, as you can see, we have a lot of rocks and roots here, and sometimes our trench is stuck, and so we need to figure out how to continue work. But
yeah, sometimes a big stone gets into the blade.
Like here, as you can see,
there's
here
a stump.
We just changed our direction.
Yeah, we had
I cannot cut here.
To go around a stump, we had to change this thing.
We paid for this about $300 plus fuel, but if you will hire any contractor for this job, it will be $3,000-4,000 at least.
At least, yeah. We asked several contractors. It was thousands and thousands. That's why we decided to do it ourselves, and it took maybe an hour.
Yep.
So now we will clean it up and return the machine and put the conduits in. So like half a day job compared to the thousands of dollars in the cost if you hire. And no, not any contractor was willing to do it because of the hill and roots and trees and another solar line underneath. So I'm glad we've done it.
Okay, guys, stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.